These skincare secrets will change your life. Like, I kid you not. Today's recipe will take your skincare game from a 0 to 100. If you are out there and you are looking for something to brighten your skin, like natural ingredients to brighten your skin, to fade hyperpigmentation, to help moisturize your skin, to fade sunburn, you just want something to just effortlessly glow your skin without spending any amount of money, like on cosmetic, because this particular recipe, like the ingredients are something you can find in your kitchen. So without much delay, guys, let's jump right into today's video. Our first ingredient for today's recipe is carrots. Carrots will make you stop spending money on expensive skincare products, guys, because it contains vitamin C and carotene, which helps to protect the skin from sunburn, and it also helps to slow down skin aging by improving elasticity, hydration, and it also helps to fade like dark spots, hyperpigmentation. So like carrot is one ingredient that obviously like it has a lot of benefits for the skin. So we'll cut our carrot into small pieces, then we transfer it into a clean bowl, just like I'm doing in today's video, guys. So guys, the other ingredient we'll be using in today's recipe is potato. Potato contain azelaic acid, which is popularly known for skin brightening properties, and it also helps to reduce appearance of scar, blemishes, and dark spots, and also hyperpigmentation. So if you are looking for something to kind of help you to fade your dark spots, you know, hyperpigmentation, without literally spending any amount of money, then this particular recipe is going to be your final bus stop, guys. Final bus stop. So this is us just cutting our potato into small pieces, just like the way we do our carrots. After cutting our potato into small pieces, we will transfer it into the same bowl with the carrots and we set it aside. So guys, the last but definitely not the least ingredients for today's recipe is our turmeric powder. As we all know, turmeric powder contains antioxidants. It helps to lighten the skin. It helps to fade dark spots, hyperpigmentation. So for our turmeric powder, I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. I'll be using Johnson baby oil. But if you don't have this, you can use any carrier oil of your choice, something like coconut oil, olive oil. So for this, depending, I will just be adding enough, kind of just to make it form a thick, like to make it form like a paste for me. I'm transferring everything to a bowl. So guys, this is what we have. If you watch my video to this level and you are here to subscribe, please kindly do so now. It's free of charge, okay? So you know, because our skin is always being exposed to sun, like to dust, like it's very good like to exfoliate your skin. And like I said, this particular recipe, guys, see, you will see the results like almost immediately, okay? Just put it, and like this, you can use this all over your body. It's not just necessary that it should just be on your face. Apply it all over your body. It can be used like maybe like twice a week is okay, twice or once a week, depending on like your schedule. Like, and these are natural ingredients, like they are very mild on skin, like they are very mild. Like I love it so much. Like, you know, it just helps to boost the appearance of your skin, you know, reveal like that flawless skin you have there, that you will be surprised like using this. And you know, like the Johnson oil that I added to it, like it's a kind of like, it just boosts the moisturizer, like it helps so that it will not be flaky, you know, and not too hashy, okay? So after applying it like this on your skin, just allow it to sit on your skin for like 3 to 5 minutes, then you can take it off. So if you watch this video to this level, I really appreciate you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Okay, turn off the notification bell so you'll be among the first set of people to get notified whenever I post a video. Guys, like, I'm trying to be consistent in uploading like my video, like trying to be uploading like multiple videos in a per week, you know, because like due to the relocation, like it has been hard for me kind of try to juggle my job, YouTube, and settling in a new country. Like, it's a lot, but thank God, to the glory of God, we are settling gradually, and I will be posting more consistently now. Thank you so much, guys. I really love you. I really appreciate you. Thank you if you watch my video to this level. Bye, and see you in my next